lived to drum another day. we had that tornado in Claremore last night, and when we were watching the live coverage, they said it was coming toward Verdigris here, and they gave us a timeline. So we just kind of got the shelter ready and did what we needed to do, and then I kind of watched the coverage and see where the radar was taking it while my wife and dog were in the shelter, and here we are. It missed Verdigris completely, and unfortunately hit Claremore, our next town over. I was able to watch some of the power flashes as the tornado was on the ground and hitting power lines or substations and exploding in bright light. And I did tape that a little bit and put it out there on the X forum, which is AKA Twitter, and also Facebook. But alive to drum another day, so very, very thankful.